Even you can use the Mahasudarshan because it contains the kiratic like you can use the Tikta Kasai, Panchatikta Kasai, Mahatikta Kasai, Manjisthaki Kasai, Asnadi Kasai. You'll be surprised to note in Kushtaroga Adhikaracharya mentions in too many places Kamla Halimak in the Falsuti. Kamla Halimak are mentioned also in the Jwar, Raktapitta, Gulma, but very commonly in Grahadi, very commonly in the Grahadi. So what is the falsity of a specific drug like Kirat Pittadichur mentioned the Granary, Pittaj Granary, in that the falsity Kamla is mentioned. Krishnadi Grit mentioned in the task and Kamla is mentioned. Krishnadi Grit mentioned in the Vati Kritro Charak 26, Kamla Halimak is mentioned. Halimak is mentioned. Yeah, we'll talk later. So please read the you with the falsity and note what the diseases are mentioned in this specific combination, and that you can use also in that condition. Now next is the sarcasm now. Simply it's a post-hepatic, also the obstructive jaundice, or cholestasis. Cholestasis, simply, you know the biliary tree. Now something is wrong in the biliary tree. There is obstruction, there is autoimmune phenomena. I have seen one case of the child who came to our surgeon with that acute abdomen. That time when I was in the UG, it was not so easy for the sonography and all. And sir opened the abdomen and opened the bile duct and find the ascaris in the common bile duct, my dear. So ascaris also may be a cause of the sarcoidosis commonly. This is the reason why the creamy is also considered. I have already told you earlier in my previous lecture the importance of the creamy and the importance of creamy that is ascaris specifically. Why we need the deworming sometime? Why the bidang is used? You see, the bidang flask is commonly used in the Kamla. And whenever Achar mentions the creamy in the Falsruti, bidang is not alone. There is the creamy, there is the some breach of is associated, is combined with the bidang, then only the creamy is mentioned in the falsity. I am very impressed with Acharya. What is the common causes? You can see gallstones in the common bile duct, pancreatic cancer. What happens in the pancreatic cancer, my dear? Head of the pancreas. The cancer of the head of pancreas will obstruct orifice of the ori, so there is bile obstruction. Now the backward flow of the bile into the gallbladder and gallbladder becomes enlarged. Note one point, painless enlarged gallbladder with the jaundice confirm the CA of the head of pancreas. And then next feature, hemophagia. Hemophagia means blood in the stool. Silvery color stool means the CA of the head of pancreas. Three features, note the three features. Jaundice with the uritis, depression, diabetes, loss of the weight, painless enlarged gallbladder, and hemophagia. Confirmatory diagnosis of the CA of hepatitis. It's known as Purviser sign. They Purviser sign. So a group of parasites known as the liver flukes live in the common bile duct causing obstructive jaundice. Biliary atresia, congenital cause, cholangiocarcinoma, pancreatitis, cholestasis of pregnancy, and too many causes. Cholangitis, sclerosing cholangitis, biliary cirrhosis, autoimmune biliary cirrhosis, primary biliary cirrhosis, secondary biliary cirrhosis, all come under this. It is Sakha set. Sakha. What Sakha? Yakrit Sakha. What Yakrit Sakha? Biliary tree. Sakha. Biliary. Body. So it's from intrahepatic duct to orifice of the ampulla of water. This is the Sakha. Any obstruction, say the pancreatic cancer, obstruct at the level of ODI. So hepatitis obstruct at the level of the caliculi. Intrahepatic duct. See the from that. From hepatitis to the pancreas, you have to rule out the cause for the Sakha-Siddha. This is very important. I don't think that Sakha means talk only, my dear. Please think it in this manner, think. And then you will be very close for the diagnostic approach. Very nice. Why already I have told. Till epistemology. Clay color means there is no stercovilinogen in it. Clay color. A colic stool. Allopathic science mentioned it, a colic. And Acharya find it, epistemology. Very clear observation, very clinical observation. So, Sitavarcha iti postat pittas manja malaranjakasya bahirindrikam. You can understand this. So, the color of the stool is important. I'll give you 3-4 features here. If a patient comes with the jaundice with the pruritus, think about the cholesterol. If a patient comes with the pruritus without any skin lesions, no macules, no papules, no vesicle, nothing, what do you think? In that one is cholestasis, type 2 diabetes, Hodgkin's lymphoma, pregnancy, old age, and bad hygiene of the skin, dryness of the skin. These are the causes of the itching without any obvious reason, without any lesions on the skin. Thus, itching is there. A marking or exfoliation because of the bilirubin, depositions. That bilirubin depositions, that bilirubin is leading to that. In that case, you again need. This is the reason why Acharya Charak mentioned Vidya Vishwanath all that. To bring the dose from the Sakha to the coast means now it should come to the duodenum. After removing the obstruction. USG, CT scan, all are helpful for that to understand. Now again you note intercholestasis, conjugated hyperbilirubinemia, diet bilirubin is very high, alkaline phosphatase is very high, stercobilinogen and stercobilinogen is absent in the stool, urobilinogen is absent in the urine, but bilirubin is present, and then you see the alkaline phosphatase. It is very important laboratory investigation for the cholestasis. Whether it is incomplete cholestasis or complete cholestasis, there is increased alkaline phosphate. But when there is complete cholestasis, then only tilipistolibum is present. Then only tilipistolibum is present. Otherwise, no. So tilipistolibum is if the absent, you can't exclude the Sakha-Siddha based on USG, based on CT scan. Again, in this condition, your choice will be to bring the pith. Even though it is intrahepatic cause, so Amla Dravya will be used, Katu Dravya will be used. Lamar is mentioned, but Acharya did not use the Lamar. But Katu Amla Lamar are Pitta Prakopak, Vriddhi Karbhav. So they will be used. So you can understand the things for the diagnosis, for the treatment aspect. What is your treatment? First, now those should come from the Sakha to the coast, Katu, Krishna, Ushna, Lamar, Amla Adi. Utram. Why? Apit Ragat. Kab tak? Until the stool becomes pit, means bile is now in stool. Stercobilinogen is in stool. When pit comes in the coast, then only the puris is ranjit, colored. Otherwise, kilopist. And then after confirmation that pit has been entered in the coast because of understanding the color of the puris, now you have to go for the same treatment as Acharya told earlier. Mridu Virecha. So what is your drug? To bring the pit from the Sakha to the coast? See, separately. It means there is something important about the people. Then people is excluded. Okay, again the triple. Chap, Vidanga, Kulat, Kutki, Musta, Manjista, Patol, Vacha. Rasun says the Chirpat. So good. Important of lasun. Lasun is good. Why do you want to use the lasun seed part? What improve bile secretogo? Very good in gallbladder stone, pigmented stone. And carcinoma has its own limitations. Other drug like Nano, Agog, should be used to prevent the hepatorenal syndrome. Vasa, Kantikari like drugs should be used to prevent the hepatopulmonary syndrome. So again, we are working with the help of allopathic knowledge to make the expansion of the treatment aspect to prevent the certain side effects. Why we need the Viretin every day to reduce the ammonia level? You know the ammonia enters through the bypass collateral circulation to the systemic circulation to the brain and develop the encephalopathy. This is the reason why the Kutki is used. Bidang which Triviti is used. Why the Viretin is very important, not only for the pit to come to bring into the coast also to excrete the ammonia. You know the ammonia. You know the role of the ammonia. You know the ammonia will not converted into the urea because of the abnormal function of the liver. It is not working properly. So Nitya Virachan, Mridu Virachan are your choice. Mridu Virachan. But Nit every day. 2-3 years soft stool is good. 3-4 soft stool is good. But in liver of cirrhosis is 4-5-6 stool is also good. Because now there is more chance of the ammonia production. There is more chance of the ammonia related or other neurotoxin related encephalopathy. All these are not being converted to end metabolite by the liver. So we have to work there. If there is need of the surgery, the surgical intervention is required. So I think now you are very clear to understand what is meaning of the Bhavapit Kamla and Sakhasit Kamla. What is the importance to understand the unconjugated hyperbilirubinemia and conjugated hyperbilirubinemia? What is the importance of congenital diseases related to the jaundice, like Crigler-Najjar syndrome? All we have to understand. No, that's very important. See that. It is from the Charak Chikitsa 36 number slow. So here pathogenesis occurs in the Mutrasma. It is similar pathogenesis occur in the gallstone. I will give you 3 composition of the bile. Bile acid, cholesterol, and phospholipid. When cholesterol is more, bile acid is less, there is chance of the stone. When bile acid is less, cholesterol is normal even, and there is chance of the stone. This is known as lithogenic bile. Lithogenic bile. See the row chart. The same color. You see the growth. Same. That is picture. That is bile. So the constituency of the bile also should be noted by you, my dear. When the performance will be increased, appearance will be decreased, anti-stone factors are reduced, pro-stone factors are increased, there is chance of the bile stone, there is chance of gallbladder stone, there is chance of the stone in the Buddha Vasudras, big to the bladder. So means what is the constituency, what is the component of the bile? What normal component and what the change in that normal component leading to the bile to produce stone. So now it is lithogenic bile. Asmari Bhavan is there. What will be the features? You know, Udarsu, abdominal pain, very common in the right iliac fossa and sometimes referred to the right scapular zone when there is cholecystitis. Sometimes there is biliary colic, sometimes not biliary colic. And pain starts sometime after eating the fat and all. Very common after the consuming the alcohol also. Thirdly is very common. feature. Fever is a very common feature. Murphy sign, if Murphy sign is present, it indicates the acute cholecystitis. And gallbladder stone is also a cause of the cholecystitis. So now your approach will be very extensive for understanding the underlying cause. The underlying cause should be well evaluated by you. Adman, Atto, Ana like features because of the indigestion of the fat, because of the malabsorption, because of indigestion. And because of the if this Pitta is present in the common bile duct and obstructing, a complete obstruction is there, and then the malabsorption will be also present. You know the vitamin A, D, E, K need the fat, and they are fat soluble vitamin. When fat is not emulsified and absorbed, these also not will be absorbed, and then their features will be active. Vitamin A deficiency, vitamin D deficiency, you know. Then what will be the treatment? Now it means again you have to go for the Asmari Vedan, Kulat, Kutiki, Aswan Vedan. Here some char is also used. In case of Kafaj Gulm, in case of Satuchund, in case of Earth, in case of Kafaj Gururi, certain char are mentioned. And my dear, in certain char, in Falsruti, a Pilyuha is mentioned. So Piloda is very Pilya Vriddhi and then Akrit Vriddhi. Sometimes there is Kamla, Halimok is mentioned. So now you take that, understand the Falsruti and how you apply here. Talmakhana char, too many people use the Talmakhana char. Kyo char, Pla char. Very easy to make the Talmakhana char even at the home. Just fry it and use. Rasun Chirpak is good. Rasun Chirpak is mentioned in Charak Gulm, Vati Gulm. Charak Chikasa Fifth, Rasun Chirpak. And in that, Dardaro, Antarvidradhi, Gridasi, Visamjwar, like these are mentioned in Falsruti. It means Rasun Chirpak can be used in the ischemic heart disease and ischemic cardiomyopathy. Rasun Chirpak can be used in the sciatica, in any type of ability, in Visamjwar, in malaria, in typhoid, in Kalajar. See that. There is 3 Lasun Kal used by Acharya. Lasun Chir, Lasun Grit, and Lasun Tel. Lasun Chir Batikul, Lasun Grit Unmad, and Lasun Tel Apkosmar. See the approach. Change in preparation, change the indication. Arabada Pipitara, all are there. Useful in the gallbladder stone, common bile duct stone, very important chapter. Kumbhakamla. Kalandra Kribhuta Picha Sata Kumbha. Repeat Sakritamutso Samsunatama. Now you understand every these features. I go going. Last line. See. Tandra Moho Samanvitaha Nast Agni Sangha Chipram Hi Kamla One. This is very. What means of the Kumbhakamla? Karibhut means Karibhutiti Ati Artha Rucha. Karibhutiti Kathortam Uttara. Kathortam Uttara. Pitta, Ushnateshna, Rupcha, Kathindita. This is English. It means it is chronic illness. It is taking time. It is chronic in nature. And then bile salt deposition is there. Pruritus and dryness of skin is present. And this dryness of the skin further may lead to the hotness. There may be hypertrophy. Because of exfoliation, the skin becomes hypertrophic. Here, this itching is important. Already I have told you, clinical approach. Jaundice with the itching, please think about them. Obstruction here, intrahepatic obstruction. Intrahepatic obstruction. So, Krishna Pitta Sakrit Mutru. Krishna Sakrit Pitta Mutru is the typical message of Krishna word. And urine is of it, dark yellow. Sakrit, dark yellow. This is important. Again, it means the bile salt and bile pigment are produced more, reaching to the where stool and urine, making the darkness. It again indicates the chronic illness, the nature of disease. Very important line. Why we are worried about the hematemesis, myelina, hematuria, hematuria like features present in liver cirrhosis. You note it, my dear. Protein diet should be decreased. No. The protein content must be in the diet less than 0.4 gram per kg body weight, less than 0.4 gram per kg body weight. So when there is the bleeding, more amino acid will be produced, leading to the production of ammonia. So bleeding is not good in liver cirrhosis. Why? Now you understand, because of the production of the amino acid and because of production of the ammonia, ML lead to the encephalopathy. Vitamin K dependent factors are synthesized in the liver. 5 factors are synthesized in the liver, and then again protein C and protein S. About 7 factors are involved. And 5 clotting factors and protein C and protein S, anti-clotting factors. So both pro-coagulatory factors, and there is the reason why in the liver disease both may have coagulopathy and bleeding disorders. Fibrinogen, thrombin, factor 5, 7, 8, all these 5 are the produced, synthesized in the liver with the help of vitamin K. This is the reason why you prescribe the vitamin K in liver cirrhosis to prevent the bleeding. Secondary is the conjugated bilirubin which does not enter intestine because bilirubin is given urine outflow. This again, that is, it means here something obstruction is present. Intrahepatic obstruction is present. I already have told, because of inflammation, the canaliculi will be shrink. The pressure on the canaliculi. So the passage for the flow of the bile will be decreased. Whenever there is inflammation, whenever there is pitta and cough or roll, then the flow will be decreased. No doubt. We think minutely. Don't adhere with only sarcastic. Yeah. Understand the whole pathogenesis happening in the liver. And then you can understand the approach of the body. Please, Sonajan. Edema is correct. See how many causes of the edema. Protein is synthesized in the liver. Liver is abnormal, hypoproteinemia. Because of the hypoproteinemia, the colloid oncotic pressure is decreased, so there is edema. See, because of cirrhosis low liver, portal hypertension occurs, so there is ascites. Because of the cirrhosis of liver, lymphatic obstruction occurs, so there is edema. See the causes leading to that. So you have to understand 3-4 causes related to the liver disease which lead to the edema, which lead to ascites. I'll give one clinical. Ascites followed by the edema confirm the liver cause. Edema is followed by ascites confirm the renal and cardiac cause. Edema start from the face, think about the renal cause. Edema start from the both legs, think about the cardiac cause. Some salient feature of the presentation of the edema also help you in the understanding of the diagnosis. What is the underlying cause? So you can understand soon. You know, after ascites there may be pleural effusion. What is the reason of the pleural effusion in ascites? In the massive appendix there is small pore in the diaphragm. And when the fluid is more in the peritoneum, it will shift to the pleura through that pore and lead to the pleural effusion. Swas is present. Swas because of the two regions. First, because of the elevation of diaphragm, because of ascites, and second, because of the pleural effusion. So, understanding of the symptomatology is basic issue. When you excrete the fluid, you find the dyspnea is decreased. The level in the pleural effusion is decreased. And no doubt, allopath use the diuretic and we use the berature. Even Kundandama and all, we are using this. This is bleeding. This is now liver cirrhosis. This is the now abnormal clotting center. This is there is a collateral channel formation because of portal hypertension, gastric varices, esophageal varices, anorectal varices. Because of anorectal varices, there is piles. So what approach is Sarakacharpi because of the portal systemic anastomosis, because of portal hypertension, because of esophageal varices, because of gastric varices, come with reduced cerebral hyperperfusion, because of gastrointestinal bleeding, because of electrolyte imbalance, because of metabolic disturbances, and all are cause of all are due to the hepatic encephalopathy. It means in the Kumbh Kamla, if you see, one stage of the hope is present. And also the Sakasat Kamla. Even the same happened in the biliary cirrhosis. So yes, I'm not worried about the, to classify a disease in one name. I need to encourage my students and teachers to understand multiple aspects of a disease. Those days, 4 line slokes were mentioned. Now the 4 line slokes need to write in 200 and 400 pages. Because the expansion of the knowledge, total hypertension, and then the anastomosis, the systemic circulation. First the esophagus, second the abdomen, and third the rectum. Anus level. This is the reason why esophageal varices, intraanal varices, caput medusae, collateral chain, visible vessels on the abdomen, ascites. This gives comb-like. Ascites means the portal hypertension. What is portal hypertension? Means the venous congestion. Why venous congestion? 3 reasons. Again, pre-hepatic, hepatic, and post-hepatic. You know the Budd-Chiari syndrome? You know the hepatic venous thrombosis? You have to. You know the cardiac cirrhosis? You have to. Even in the cardiac cirrhosis, there will be ascites. In Budd-Chiari syndrome, there will be ascites. In hepatosplenomegaly, there will be hepatitis. In portal thrombosis, there will be ascites. So all causes related to the portal hypertension should be here included. But when there is Kamla, then only the Kumbh Kamla is diagnosed. If no Kamla, no, there is no the name of the Kumbh Kamla. So the post-hepatic college will be estimated here. Sarakacharpi, Nastagni. This is very important. When Nastagni is there, it means whole digestion, metabolic process, all are. And that may lead to the death. That may lead to the death. Now treatment, Sodhar, Kamlahar, Raktapittahar, Rakprasadar, Meth. See, again every day, Virachan, 3-4 stories, loose stories. Or that again Trivet, Putiki, Nimbalak, Bidang. You see that, same to same. But again you have to add Vasa, Estimadu, Lodra, Lajalu, Ashok, Satauri, Chatuspadi, Satauri, Kokchuru. The drug, Satauri grit, Vasa grit, but not grit. Again, because of the digestive issues due to kidney, liver problems. So your limitation is there, but if you start earlier, no limitation. Great presentation. This is very important. Edatu Pandu. Here Harita, Shao Pitka, Balusa, Tandra, Mandagni Mridu, Istri Su Aharso. Istri Su Aharso. I am telling here, Kafaj Ginhari, Istri Su Aharso is mentioned. In Kafaj Unmad, in Rajachma, Rati Priyeta, Istri Priyeta is mentioned. See. So now, one word, and then you have to think other. Where now you read the charak and you note in how many places Istri Su Aharso is present. Istri Su Priyeta present. Rati Kamata is present. Istri Priyeta is present. So sclerosing cholangitis is very close. When bilirubin converts into the again, biliverdin converts into bilirubin, but long term bilirubin converts in biliverdin, then Harit. Greenish discoloration of skin and mucous membrane. Very common in the sclerosing cholangitis is the pruritus. So Haligmuk is Vata Pitta dominated. Here bal उत्साह अच्छा है because of chronic illness, chronic cirrhosis because of biliary cirrhosis. Testosterone is less, so loss of the liver. So they did not know, but they know. They notice in this patient it is low. Now we notice testosterone is being less. So what did we notice? What did they notice? Whether they are matching, then it's okay. If they are not matching, it is again okay. It may be our fault not to match, but they are good because they observe in 1,000 patients and they write. And that is only Ayurveda was existing as a health science. Each and every patient goes to the Ayurveda physician. The inflammation of the bile ducts with the consequent restriction and hardening of these ducts due to spot formation, be it inside and outside the liver. It obstructs the flow of bile, which further perpetuates bile duct and liver injury. That is a region of the biliary cirrhosis. That is backward flow. I will tell you in one condition of the biliary cirrhosis, bile lake is formed. Bile lake is represented. This bile lake is again the cause of the liver injury. And then vitamin A, D, K deficiency, liver enlargement, and then portal hypertension, and all these are there, leading to abdominal pain, abdominal distension. What is treatment? Guru Chishwas. See, Chir Saditam Mahisam Gritam. I observe whenever Acharya use the Mahis Grit or Mahis Dadi or Mahis Doodh, he needs to increase the bulk. And same in the Trishranadi Grit, where Acharya mentions Mahis Dadi, Trishranadi Grit. In too many places. You can note in the charak. So whenever the Mahis Grit or Mahis Doodh or Mahis Dadi are used in Charak Samhita, it means Acharya needs to strengthen the muscle, tone, muscle. Already I have seen Madhur, Draksha, Sarvishi, Madhuran, Ardhuvikarist Yog Padagni, Vritti, Abhyavle, Tapan Chirbasti, other medications as mentioned in the Bhapit Kamala, where it is Bhapit Pradhan. Panki. Panki is mentioned in the Ayurveda Deepika and also mentioned in the Dalhan Tika. So since Acharya Chakrapani is senior to the Acharya Dalhan, it will be first time Panki is referred in the discussion by Acharya Chakrapani. There is some wrong in the Sabdukos. They mentioned the Dalhan, but here Bhinna Parch is important. Bhinna Parch. Means now here loose stool. Steatorrhea and diet. Steatorrhea is important. This is very important. And that is the reason of the malabsorption. Acharya did not need to note it because already he mentioned the Sakha Siddhamla. In Sakha Siddhamla, there is chance of steatorrhea. So there is nothing different, but it is the progress of the knowledge, and that is noted by Acharya Chakrapani. He mentions could not mention the reference of that Acharya, previous Acharya, but he mentioned Tantra. So, steatorrhea means the fat in the stool. When there is fat in the stool, the fat soluble vitamins will be deficient. Impaired fit is unable to do pachan, digestion, absorption, or snail. So, which results in Bhinna Parch, that can result in fatty stools. The absence of bile secretion can cause the face to turn grey. Other features of fat malabsorption may also occur, such as reduced bone density. This is very important, my dear. Reduced bone density because of vitamin D deficiency. Vision difficulty because of vitamin A. Bleeding because of the vitamin K. Bruising because of vitamin K deficiency. And also sometimes the fatty problem because of vitamin E. Fatty embolism. Just repeating. Because intermittent claudication because of fatty embolism occurs because of the vitamin E deficiency. Treatment aspect. Bill. Now you have to work there. Chaturbar, Musta, Musko, Kalme, Chandan, Sunti, Pipali, Tukatu, Gurji. My choice, Bill Lupa, Chaturbar, Gurji type. Gurji is very important. Once Pachan of destiny is improved, Garimadya should be given, Mahatma should be given for the increment in the digestion. Maintain the bulk of the patient by supplying the nutrients containing vitamin A, D, and K, vegetables, and other things. Because of that reason, again, I think Kachar mentioned too many grit also. Shrita grit, where the drugs, the grit will provide grit, then vitamin. In grit, only the vitamin will be there. Once the vitamin fat soluble. So that grit will supply. You see the reference of the Charaka, Chikitsa 26, Vati Drog, Krishna Grit. Jivani Drap is there. Gau Triphala is there. Ratsa is there. Jivani, you see. If you see the content of the Krishna Grit mentioned in the Charak Chikitsa 18, Kasarobadikar and Charak Chikitsa 26, will be very impressed to note this. After the always you are talking about the Plihodar, find is what is the Akriti present in the children parts and same to the Pliya because of Hetu, Ling also. So clear, very clear. So wherever is Pliya is mentioned, Pliya dos is mentioned, Plihodar is mentioned, we can think the similarly Akriti. Akrit dosh, Akrit roh. Madhya already I have told you in my previous lecture. Akrit Pradesh Sthan Sunset. Pran Agni Apan Sandush. Pran Agni Apan. You noted Pran Adan. Apan Visarjan Kar. Agni in between. See, all three are affected. R is less. Excretion is less. Agni is not working, you can understand. This is the reason why the Kumbh Kamala and all are they are Nasta Agni means they are sending that. Rudra Sedambuha Sota. Hepatorenal syndrome. Twakam Mansa Udar. Now, similar address. I'll give you the Plihodar mentioned in the Falshruti of the Pitta, some drug of the Pittaj Gulm, Kapaj Gulm, and then some in Granary, Kapaj Granary, in Chatachuri, even in the Unmad and Apashmar, especially in the Unmad, Lasnadi Grit, and then in the earth. So these are some area where the Pliya and Sod will surprise in one reference of the drug mentioned in the Pliya, Plihodar, both are present. With Udar, with a certain type of powder. Pliya, Plihodar, and you can understand means Pliya dose is different, Plihodar is different. Pliya dose may be a cause of Plihodar. 5 types of Pliya, then the 5 types of Yakrit should be understood, should be explained later. We need to explain 5 types of the Yakrit, those as per guidance given in 5 types of the Pliya. Panchpliya. Treatment similar. And Patasara, all. You know now. Udare to Virejam. Both Virejam, Purisangit. Heran Pardam. Unanwa Pardam. Tatauri, Brahmi, Guruchi, Varun, Coxiru should be used. Always maintain the strictly the chart for the intake and output, weight, circumference, very important, blood pressure very important, heart rate very important, and auscultation over the chest to confirm the pleural effusion, cardiac action and all. Pratikadi, Dasmul, Harki, Punandama, Satauri, Vidang, Rohitak. Here you can also use the Bardhaman 50. You can use the Bhallata. Bhallata Kyadi Griti is mentioned in Gulm. Where in the Falsruti, Pliya is mentioned. If the Pliya, it means the Akrit. It means Akrit. You can use the different Kalpa of the Bhallata. You know the 10 Kalpa of the Bhallata mentioned in the church. So Swas is hepatopulmonary syndrome. It is syndrome of shortness of breath and hypoxemia caused by the vasodilation in the lungs of the patient with the liver disease. Dyspnea, hypoxemia are the worst in the upright position. Treatment, medicine as discussed before, along with Vasa, Kantikari, Daravi, Puskarmul, Tulsi, Amalki, Arjun, Shati, etc. So now you have to go for the Sot, you have to go for the Udar, you have to go for the Amla, you have to go for the Udar, then you have to work for the hepatopulmonary syndrome. In this concept, when you are working, my dear, you can manage the good posture syndrome, the hematemesis and hematuria are present, where the antibody is formed for the fourth number of the fibrils of the chloride, present in the glomerulus, basement membrane, and alveoli basement. You can understand the linking, the study of the Acharya, and allopathic, whatever. It may be devotion, it may be Harrison. So, Sot, as you call it, hepatorenal. Mutraghat and Sot all are mentioned, Swas all are mentioned. Ast, Upadra are mentioned. Out of that, one is Sot, one is the what? No, already I have discussed about it. The life threatening, my dear. There may be sometimes generalized issue. Hepatorenal syndrome is concerned with azotemia, hypotension. And this hypotension is, my dear, very tough to manage. Very tough. The bombing not work. You can't use the furosemide because again it will reduce. That is the reason. Now we have some drugs, like the smooth, but they also have some limitations. Mother already have discussed. For alcohol withdrawal, we need Sattvaja Chikitsa, some Sirodhara, Siropichu. I always love to use the Shastaris with Ashwagandha. In these, there is about 7% alcohol. 7-8% alcohol. So you are not going to withdraw the alcohol abruptly. By using the Shastaris and Ashwagandharis, Draksharis, you are giving a little bit amount of alcohol with the method, with the bulk, with the immunoboosting, with the neuroboosting. So nothing. Don't worry. Always I try this. I never use the antidote to alcohol in my practice. De-addiction is well managed by help of the Ayurveda, especially these combinations. Very good. So viral hepatitis, a lot of talk in Pitta Spandu, Pitta Jwar. Nowadays, you are talking about the COVID-19, the virus. Earlier, you are talking about the swine flu. A lot of virus is there. Virus is on the earth since beginning. Since beginning of the world. The virus infection is since beginning of the life. And since the civilization, the virus is affecting our society. In every 100 years, 50 years, there is pandemic. If 100 years, there is influenza. Before 200 years, something there. Every time, every 150 years is having the history of the pandemic of the virus. You have to boost the immune. Murchi is good. Patol is good. Kiratik is good. Nimb is good. Tatauri is good. So many things. Tulsi. Alas. I have a long list. More than 100 drugs are immunobooster and immunoenhancer. And also they are antiviral. Kusyanu, You will be surprised. Panchbalkal also have a basically that is microbial static Panchbalkal discovery. Too many drugs used in the Univyapas found now antimicrobial. Knowing that there may be help. Already you know the Raktasrotasmul Amphilia, so in the Rakpit also there is talk about that. And then what will be your drug? See, you now take the drug from the where? The Rakpit, like the Vasagrit, Taurigrit, Lodru, Durvasaurus, Tauri, separately Chatuspandi, Gokchuru, Lagu Panchamulsrit, are use and all, Panchavalkal, Arjun like drug, Nav Kesha, you know all this. So mention the in your prescription the drugs which are referred, which are indicated somewhere, but you have to use. So I think I